Hi everyone, I'm Costa, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to create an interactive pricing section in Framer. So I have three pricing cards, and I have a pricing wrapper. Now let's create a shape like this and bring it inside this wrapper. I will create another shape, make it a circle, select the first shape and call it toggle, add a layout and change the size to fit content. Go to padding, add 8 pixels, make a circle, add a label, monthly, select the toggle shape, go back to padding, change the left padding to 16 pixels and the gap to 8 pixels. Right click and create a component. Create a new variant, move the black shape to the left, change the label to yearly, go to the padding, put the left padding to 8 pixels and the right one to 16 pixels. Select the first variant and connected it with the second one. Now connect the second variant with the first one. Go back to home, select the pricing wrapper, right click and create a component. Create a new variant, click on the toggle and go to the variant and change it to variant 2. Now change the information in here. Let's change first the pricing to $80 and this to 110, then the monthly to yearly, let's check if everything is fine, and now select the first toggle and connected it with the second variant. Select the second toggle and connected it with the first variant. Now let's create a mobile version. Select the first variant and create a new one. Make sure that the toggle from this variant is not connected with the second one. I will call this mobile monthly and change the direction to vertical. Now select the second variant and create a new one. Disconnect the toggle. Change the direction to vertical again. Call this mobile yearly. Then select the toggle, connected it to the second variant. Select the second toggle and drag it to the first variant. Now move back to home, press Ctrl P. Let's check it first on desktop. Works perfect on desktop. Now let's see on mobile. We have this problem. It is because we need to change the variants, put it on mobile monthly. Let's preview it. This is yearly and it is monthly. So that is it, guys. Thank you much for watching. See you next time.